Mangrove tree hem one fala important trees why hem contribute too much lo ecosystem lo imi lo Solomon Island. And mangrove tree hem also garden fruit and this fala fruit mi fala lo lang-langa use for kakam and mi fa call hem kwa.
Yeah. Kwa yang one fala traditional food lo mi fala people lo lang-langa. You might hear this fala word kwa hem special but I'm simply meaning no mangrove tree. And this fala mangrove tree where mi fala use and for collecting also food mi fala call hem kwa ana.
One thing about the kwa, mi fala ta people lo langa-langa, garem tu fala ways for cooking. One fala, mi fala sa supung kwa, and narawan mi fala sa motum. So ban fa somehow for motum kwa.
For making motu kwa, first thing mi fala doing na, go find him kwa fruits. After finding the kwa fruit, we go wash him so that I'm clean and ready for scratching. Mi fala using a sell out column okay or some tool for scratching na kwa.
Yeah, this one first process lo mi fala after collecting of mangrove fruit, lo mi fala kwa and process where mi fala for scratching na. Ano sa process ya?
Next, mi fala taken na this wala meme kwa, why I'm scratch from the kwa fruit for go wash. After mi fala wash him, mi fala using na wooden bowl for mi fala calling no language for ronia or smash him na this wala meme kwa. And another thing is coconut, why I have scratch for milking na utim kwa. Again, same something normal. We are using wooden bowl too for smashing na this whole coconut meat or for new so that hence I will give you na good milk for kwa. Last thing is round ya, why mi fala mixing na fish, coconut milk and mamia kwa together. And after mi fala putum isat lo kakake leaf and motum na